I'm Kerry Fink with Helping Seniors of Brevard. Thanks for tuning in to today's Helping Seniors update. Today, we're going to tackle part of the Helping Seniors Car Raffle fundraiser, helpingseniors.carraffle.com. And we are going to talk about the third annual, coming up soon, Dodge versus Chevy Challenge. And there's actually a website about this. It's taking on a life of its own. It's called dodgevchevychallenge.com. And what happened is because the winner of our car raffle gets to pick their pick of cars, right? So you get to choose if you'd like a 2022 Chevrolet Camaro, a 2022 Dodge Challenger, 2022 Mazda Miata, or a 2022 Kia Sportage. They all come from the fine family of cars from AJ Hires, Boniface Hires dealerships. And that's why the winner gets to pick, because AJ and Joe go way back, and he's always helped us as we do this fundraiser for the organization. But it became pretty clear that there was a muscle car, I would say, competition going on. And so literally 3 years ago, we picked out sides and everybody chose a car and went for that. And so I'm going to first introduce the leader of Team Dodge. Her name is Jennifer Helin. She is the owner of Seniors Helping Seniors. Hello, Jennifer.
Hello, it's great to be here.
And so I know you would say that 2 out of 2 years that the Dodge versus Chevy Challenge has gone on, you would say the winner is?
Oh, absolutely Dodge, hands down.
So you have not changed your mind going into the 20? No? Okay.
Yeah, not at all.
Okay, I follow. Now let me all the way. Now let me introduce the 2022. Well, you're still the captain of team. I can't guess from your background, Ashleigh Caswell with Hibiscus Court. What team do you represent?
Team Chevy.
And so now this is going to be the third year that you guys go head to head against Jennifer Helin and Team Dodge. But if I ask you who was the winner of the past 2 Dodge versus Chevy challenges, you would say?
I think that Jen's a poor historian. I remember distinctly that everyone universally agreeing that the Camaro is the way to go.
So this is how it goes, folks. So what is fun about this is all to draw attention to the Helping Seniors Car Raffle, which is a serious thing. It's a fun thing, but it's a serious thing because it's our fundraiser. Joe Steckler, our president and founder of Helping Seniors, came up with this as a way to help us get funding that we need to carry on the work of the Senior Information Helpline, now in its 12th year of service to Brevard County, free connection for seniors and the families that care for them. But like I said, out of the fun of having somebody win a brand new car on October 29th and having the chance to be there at the American Muscle Car Museum to see us pull your name out of the barrel, this became a way that we could talk about it all summer, because you guys started like kind of like football team rivalry. You guys started picking up on the whole car thing, and then it progressed beyond talk. You guys actually took it to the track. Ashleigh, tell them about that.
So at the American Muscle Car Museum, they have a little bit of a test track. And AJ is a wonderful human being and let us test out these cars on the track. We've had an absolute blast pushing them to their limits, and we've gotten invited back every time, so we didn't break anything major, but it's a really awesome venue, and we're so lucky to be able to try these out for the people who are going to get to win this car and then select, so they have all the information they need to make the right choice.
And that would be
Camaro.
Why would that surprise me? What I do remember was your crew chief, Eric Swiss with Boniface Hires Chevrolet, scratching his head after you guys had finished running these cars out and going, I'm going to have to explain why half the rubber is missing off the tires. So Jennifer with Team Dodge, what was your experience running the cars around the track?
So for us, this is the most fun part of this fundraiser, getting to take those cars around the track, and they gave us permission. They said we could lay it down, we could open it up. So we did. We took full advantage of being able to really test these cars. So it is just so much fun going around the track. You can, if you watch the past videos, you will hear us laugh like little kids because we were having so much fun.
Yeah, really, the fun of it is if you go to dodgevchevychallenge.com you'll see the videos from year 1 and year 2, and they're hilarious because our camera guy stuck GoPros in. So we're not only catching the cars racing around the track from the outside, but listening to you guys and the quote crew chatter as you guys are peeling out. It's just so much fun. But listen, let's talk for just a moment before we close out, because year 3 is coming. So we're going to be filming that this summer back out at Mark Pylock's amazing American Muscle Car Museum, which is where this all winds up on October 29th. He is such a gracious host. He and his wonderful team, Ed and Andrew, and the whole team of volunteers who come out and help us and make this just a great automotive show and a great fundraiser for the Helping Seniors group. But they really have always rolled out the red carpet, because there's no other way for us as a nonprofit to survive unless you get involved and buy a ticket, because that is literally how we keep the operation moving forward. And so I wanted to ask you guys, because you, on the serious side, Ashleigh, you're with Hibiscus Court Senior Living Management, and Jennifer, you're the owner of Seniors Helping Seniors, and you guys both see the importance of the work of helping seniors. You also generously donate your time as volunteers on the board. Jennifer, say something a little bit about why it's important to support the work of helping seniors, and then how you get a ticket.
So we saw the need right from the get-go. We just celebrated our 10th anniversary in business, and from the very first day, we saw the need for an information hotline for seniors specific to Brevard County, which is what Helping Seniors does. And we still get those phone calls on a daily basis. We were referring back over to Nancy, who will call and walk people through the resources that we have in our area. So it is so important. It's really near and dear to my heart, to continue that work of helping seniors. So you do need to buy your tickets, and you can get your tickets at the helpingseniors.raffle.com. You can call Nancy. You can stop by Hibiscus Court, I know has tickets, or you can stop by Team Dodge and get tickets at Seniors Helping Seniors too.
Yeah, I was going to say, each of the Boniface hires. Subtle advertising, right? So you can get your tickets at any of the Boniface hires dealerships, and I know your team tech, Darren Davis at Boniface hires Dodge. He's all ready to roll and help you guys. You guys are already in training, right?
Absolutely. He is the best team captain, great salesperson, so knowledgeable about the cars. And yeah, he gives us those little tips so we can go just that much faster.
Yeah. So, and I guess this year you guys are all going to have like team uniforms or something. We'll see how all that works out. Ashleigh, your crew chief, Eric Swist, he's like the man who knows everything there is to know about Camaros. So you guys have got a great resource. Talk a little bit about, seriously about why people should get involved in this, but second, about the fun that's ahead with this.
So in our county, we have an enormous population of seniors, and not everyone knows about the resources that are available to them, or where to turn, or what to do next, or, because they're navigating things for the first time. What Helping Seniors does is help. We already have the advanced knowledge of, we know the right people to connect, the right resources to connect you to. So it's a really valuable resource for all seniors and anybody who loves a senior or is planning on being a senior here in Brevard. I work in a lot of counties. I serve most of the state of Florida, and we don't have that resource anywhere else.
Yeah, so you got to be in it to win it. So you get your ticket today, one for $25, five for $100 donation. You get three things when you do that. Number one, you're supporting the work of Helping Seniors. Number two, you could be choosing that great Chevrolet Camaro or that great Team Dodge Challenger, or you might be different and say, I want a Mazda Miata convertible, or you might say, I want a Kia Sportage, exactly like David Alahowski, our winner from last year, did. So you could wind up with a new car, but in all cases, I would say you're a winner for Helping Seniors, and because your ticket is admit one to the American Muscle Car Museum. So with that, I guess we're going to let you guys get back to training for Team Dodge versus Chevy. Make sure you check out that website. It's fun. It's Dodge versus VS, Dodge VS Chevy ChevyChallenge.com. And we'll see you guys out on the test track then.
We'll be there.